Oh man, I'm definitely craving to go see a botanical garden. Here we are at Arlington Garden in Pasadena, California, and this botanical garden comprises 2.5 acres. So it's a relatively small garden, but it is a public garden and it is free. It is located near the old downtown of Pasadena. Now, there used to be a 50-room mansion on this property, and the mansion was built in 1905. But sadly, it was torn down to make room for a freeway. And apparently, a group of citizens got together, and because of their actions, the freeway project was stopped. And then some years later, this garden was created. Now, in this garden, you will see a Peruvian pepper tree, and that tree is over 100 years old. And I believe there's also supposed to be a jacaranda tree there that's over 100, but I must have missed that one. But here we are at the garden. There is no parking available, however, you can park on the street. This is really quite lovely. And it's a perfect day for it. The high today is going to be 71 degrees. Up to some huge agaves. Now, I would love to have a garden like this, but I live on a small lot. My backyard's small. Looks like agave attenuata. Well, that's a big guy. Oh, it's got a bloom. Getting ready to bloom. Wow, that is huge. That is humongous. I am standing next to this agave, and I am 5 foot 5 3/4 inches, so you can see how tall this plant is. This Sapuntia has some mealybug. Hopefully some ladybugs will come by and take care of the problem. There are just little jewels tucked in all over the place. Now this is underneath the shade of a tree, so we have a jade plant. And I think this cactus is a San Pedro. But look at this. Beautiful. So if you're wondering what can take shade, apparently these guys can. You know, a person could have walked by this and missed it. Here's some aeoniums. Check out this tree. It looks like some type of pepper tree. I mean, the leaves look like it. This must be old. Aeoniums, so they will take the shade. And it's all underneath the shade of that tree. Unfortunately, there's no sign there saying what the tree is. And then this other tree. If you are in the Pasadena area, this is near Old Town Pasadena, not too far from it, I would suggest coming here. And it is free. Well, that's interesting. Somebody braided the leaves on a plant. Huh. That looks like California sage back there. Native plant. Lots of agave attenuata. And agave attenuata is also known as foxtail agave. You can see that bloom went up and went down, and they call it a foxtail. And once that blooms, this plant will die, but hopefully you'll have pups. Looks like rosemary. Okay, so here's a water fountain planted up with succulents. That almost looks like a Dudleya. And apparently these are wish trees, a bunch of little notes hanging from the trees, from crepe myrtles. So this wish tree garden was inspired by Yoko Ono. And there's an agave. Pretty blue pots. Here's some heuchera. Pretty pot. And this is all hedged into like a formal garden, like a Mediterranean garden. Rosemary in the background. Paddle plant. And those look like olive trees. And that's the formal entrance to the garden over there. I love this chair. There are all kinds of little nooks and crannies to explore in here. This looks like a bottle brush tree. The blooms are almost spent on it. That is an agave blue glow. This kind of looks like a manzanita tree. You can see the dark bark. It does not take very long to tour this garden, so I recommend that if you're down here to go check out the old downtown area. There are a couple of really interesting historical buildings to check out, plus there are several restaurants if you want to have lunch. There's a Cuban restaurant, Himalayan, Japanese, Mexican, Italian, just about any type of food that you can think of. It should be available down there. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget, if you hit the subscribe button, my channel is free. And if you hit the like button, that would be great too. All right, thanks for watching. Check back with me again to see what I'm up to next time. Bye.